Want to create viral superhero-style images like this using AI? Let me show you how step-by-step using Leonardo AI. First, open Chrome or any browser. Type Leonardo AI into the search bar and hit enter. Click the official link and sign in. Or create a free account if you're new. Step 2. Go to Image Generation. Once you're in, click on Image Generation from the left panel. Here's where the magic happens. Choose a model like Leonardo Diffusion or Dream Shaper for high-quality results. Step 3. Set your aspect ratio. Now, before you type your prompt, click the settings icon next to the prompt box. You can choose your aspect ratio. For example, 9:16 for vertical shorts or 16:9 for YouTube videos. Step 4. Write the prompt. In the prompt box, type something like superhero version of Apple, futuristic white armor, glowing blue core, cinematic lighting, standing in a tech city. Make sure your description is clear and visual. And don't worry, I've provided an editable version of this prompt in the description. Step 5. Generate images. Now hit Generate. It may take a few seconds depending on your prompt and settings, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see 4 image options. Take your time, zoom in, and choose the one that looks best. You can download the one you like or upscale it for better quality. Now repeat the process for more brands. Tesla, Netflix, McDonald's, Amazon. Make each one a unique superhero. You're building your own AI-powered brand universe. Final step. Turn images into video. Once your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Use tools like RunwayML or InVideo AI to animate your characters. Just upload the images, add motion, music, and captions, and you've got a cinematic brand battle ready for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And that's it! You've just learned how to create stunning superhero-style images using Leonardo AI. Want the prompt? Check the description below. Follow for more AI-powered tutorials.